I was very relaxed. I wasn't afraid of the man. I fear no man because I believe in God. That's the only man I fear. You know, thank God. I give this praise to the Lord Jesus Christ.
Here's Busted landing these. Oh, nice uppercut by Busted Douglas. Look at this. He's not.
Mike Tyson a affronté de nombreux adversaires redoutables tout au long de sa carrière. Il les a tous mis KO avec une férocité inégalée, s'imposant comme Iron Mike. Chaque géant qui s'est dressé sur son chemin a été vaincu sans pitié, victime de ses poings dévastateurs. L'un d'eux était le légendaire Larry Holmes, qui s'est effondré au sol après un puissant coup de droite.
Is the biggest problem. Oh, right hand, down goes. Right now, Mike Tyson is in charge. He's the boss, and Larry's down for the. There's lightning in the fist. Big right hand, followed up. The end of a great career is imminent for the big shot. Right hand hurt Larry again. He's back to the body, goes to throw right hand, gets clipped with a big right hand.
Cependant, le 11 février 1990, à Tokyo, au Japon, Tyson a rencontré un adversaire qui a accompli l'impossible, James Buster Douglas. Douglas est arrivé à ce combat avec une motivation unique. 3 semaines avant le combat, sa mère, Lula Pearl, est décédée subitement. Cette perte fut un coup dur, mais au lieu de se laisser abattre, il a promis d'honorer sa mémoire avec le combat de sa vie. Malgré les difficultés, y compris une grippe qui l'a affaibli quelques jours avant le combat, et des bookmakers qui le considéraient comme un perdant avec une cote de 42 contre 1, Douglas est resté concentré. Il est monté sur le ring déterminé à prouver qu'il n'était pas seulement un simple prétendant, mais un vrai guerrier. Au premier round, Douglas a surpris tout le monde en montrant une stratégie claire et efficace. Il a utilisé son jab avec précision pour maintenir Tyson à distance, contrôlant le rythme du combat dès le début. Tyson a tenté de se rapprocher avec ses mouvements rapides de tête et ses crochets puissants, mais Douglas a neutralisé ses attaques avec des combinaisons rapides et précises. Le challenger semblait confiant, tandis que le champion paraissait déconcerté.
Smith, with the exception of Tony Tucker, who Mike won the IBF title. Look at them as they exchange here in round 1. Oh, that right hand actually caught Mike. As that big lunging left hook. After the closing seconds of this, the first one. Wow! With the right hand is Buster Douglas. And Mike comes right back and answers it with a wild left hand of his own. There's the bell.
Au deuxième round, Douglas a continué d'imposer son style. Son jab est resté son arme principale, interrompant constamment les tentatives de Tyson de réduire la distance. En plus de ses jabs, Douglas a ajouté des crochets au visage de Tyson, qui montraient des signes de frustration. Bien que Tyson ait tenté d'intensifier la pression, chaque attaque était contrée par des combinaisons précises.
To get through the first round, and that's why Don King has brought this show on the road. Look at Buster landing some shots here. And he has him back Mike up. Mike standing straight in front of him. Look at this, Buster landing some shots. This is surprising here. Very surprising. Of course, Mike, at any time when you come in, said Larry Residillo, he's the judge. We're actually talking about Octavio Miran. Oh, an uppercut got through that time by Buster. Look at this, Buster landing some shots here.
Au troisième round, Douglas a gagné encore plus de confiance. Il a connecté un uppercut puissant qui a secoué Tyson, suivi d'un crochet gauche qui a fait reculer le champion. Tyson a essayé de répondre avec son agressivité habituelle, mais Douglas est resté solide. Il a continué à utiliser son avantage en portée et sa précision pour maintenir le contrôle. Tyson semblait incapable de changer la dynamique du combat.
Busted death of custom out a good left hook to the body that time. They tell me again, interesting information that Buster Douglas has landed over 50 punches and Tyson's landed only 16. First round even and the second round in favor of Buster Douglas. See Mike much more aggressive, but again, he grabs on and holds like Tyson. Oh, there's the left hook that got through. That's the first real telling blow by Mike Tyson. And now let's see if Buster can hang on and keep him off. Instead, it's Buster coming back.
Au quatrième round, Douglas a dominé totalement. Un jab suivi d'un crochet a visiblement déstabilisé Tyson. Chaque tentative du champion pour s'approcher était punie par des combinaisons au corps et au visage. Tyson a réussi à placer quelques coups au corps, mais ils n'ont pas eu l'effet escompté. Douglas a une fois de plus remporté ce round.
Crowd of some 35,000 on hand here, enjoying what they certainly didn't expect. Landed that big left hook, and there he goes headhunting with the right hand. Can he keep that left going? Well, see, there's a right hand that gets through. I'm talking about the big questions, and all of a sudden the big fella executes it. Fights, and you see, oh, there's Mike missing that big left and just grazed the chin of Buster Douglas. And Douglas answering with loaded up shots of his own as the bell ends.
Au 5e round, Tyson a essayé de renverser la situation. Il a commencé le round avec plus d'agressivité, connectant quelques crochets au corps qui ont semblé ralentir Douglas. Cependant, ce dernier a répondu avec une série de coups rapides, dont un uppercut direct au visage. Tyson avançait toujours, mais ses mouvements manquaient de l'explosivité habituelle, tandis que Douglas gardait son calme et sa précision.
Mike wants to drag this into some later rounds, but there was a real good right hand that landed off the hand. Oh, big right hand landed that time. Buster's, if 2, 3, or 4 is a question mark, he's winning the 5th round handily. Tallest guys that I can recall him fighting. You see that punishing body shot with the right hand?
Au 6e round, Tyson a montré des éclairs de son ancienne puissance. Il a réussi à placer un crochet qui a ébranlé Douglas, mais le challenger n'a pas reculé. Au contraire, il a répondu avec des combinaisons rapides qui ont mis Tyson en difficulté. L'œil gauche de Tyson commençait à enfler, rendant sa vision plus difficile. Bien que Tyson ait montré du courage, Douglas a encore dominé.
Whether that could be the fight plan to drag it into the later rounds, but Buster not showing any signs of wearing down in his career. Oh, nice jab by Tyson that time.
Au 7e round, les deux boxeurs ont échangé des coups avec intensité. Tyson a connecté quelques crochets au corps et un uppercut qui a fait réagir le public, mais Douglas a immédiatement répondu avec une combinaison qui a laissé Tyson vacillant. Chaque tentative de Tyson pour s'approcher était stoppée par le jab constant de Douglas qui continuait à dicter le rythme.
That this is his night and all of that sort of stuff, but of course one big shot from Mike Tyson can end all that speculation. More often than not, he's landed. Oh, look at this shot inside by Mike that time. Doesn't seem to hurt Buster. He's in great shape, there's no question about it. Look at him pushing Mike off. Buster has got the confidence of perhaps round of the fight to this point. Nice shot inside.
Au 8e round, Tyson a trouvé un moment d'espoir. Il a placé un uppercut dévastateur qui a envoyé Douglas au sol. L'arbitre a commencé le décompte et Douglas, avec un cœur de champion, s'est relevé juste avant la fin. Bien que Tyson ait tenté de profiter de cet instant, Douglas a tenu bon et a terminé le round debout. C'était un moment critique, mais Douglas a montré une incroyable force mentale.
We're in Tokyo, Japan. I'm Bob Sheridan. You're watching the Heavyweight Championship of the World. By the left eye, Buster a little abrasion by his left eye. Wow, with the left hand is Buster Douglas. Buster drops that big right hand, but Mike takes it on the glove, and he backs off Mike again with the left. Wow, with the right hand is Buster. Buster trying to finish this thing, and you get an idea Mike is trying to finish it as well. This has turned out to be a pretty good fight. And the fact of the matter is it's Buster that's making it the fight. Look at these shots landed by Buster Douglas. And if Buster was out of gas in the early going of this round, he's got it back together in the late portion here. Raising left hand, chopping right, misses. Uppercut landed by Mike Tyson. That's one of the few uppercuts he's landed in the fight. We've been looking for that all night. Oh, that's a nice uppercut that time. That drops Buster Douglas. The count's up to 2 and 3 and 4. His eyes from where I'm sitting look fairly clear. It's up to 7 and 8. And here it is at 9. Is he going to get up? Yes, he does. All right. And the bell ends the 8th round. What a round for Mike Tyson.
Au 9e round, Douglas a repris le contrôle du combat. Il a utilisé son jab pour garder Tyson à distance et a placé plusieurs combinaisons qui ont visiblement affecté le champion. L'œil gauche de Tyson était complètement fermé, le rendant encore plus vulnérable aux attaques de Douglas. Tyson avançait toujours, mais il était clair que son énergie diminuait, tandis que Douglas restait confiant.
This is a big fight. Tyson trying to end it with one big shot again. He's down, he comes with the uppercut. Somehow or other, Buster's throwing shots back. Look at this. Buster is not ready to pack it in. Nobody expected us to be in. Look at these shots just loading up by Mike Tyson now. We're past the midway point in round 9, and I expected Mike. Look at this! Look at Buster coming back! Did he buckle the legs to Mike? I don't know, he got him again! Buster fights back strongly, landing some big shots. And now he can't get careless. Look at this. Who would ever have expected this? Hit around and not Buster would back it in. He comes back. I haven't seen Mike in this kind of trouble before. Look at Mike actually grasping to hang on. Mike missing the shots. Buster loading up the shots now. Buster down, as you know, in the last round. Come off the canvas. This has been something he's not been able to do.
Au 10e round, Douglas a profité de l'épuisement de Tyson. Il a placé un uppercut brutal, suivi d'une série de coups qui ont envoyé le champion au sol pour la première fois de sa carrière. Tyson a essayé de se relever, mais il était trop désorienté pour continuer.
Oh, Mike tries to land a big right hand to hook away. He went back in his heels. Doesn't have the good balance. His legs together as Buster's landing these. Oh, nice uppercut by Buster Douglas. Look at this. He's knocked Mike Tyson down for the first time in his career. Mike Tyson hits the canvas. He's in big trouble. He may not be able to recover. It's up to 7 and 8. He's not going to make it.